Doctor po.
Wow. Any particular field of medicine?
Cardiologist.
Wow. Colette?
Papalitan muna kami sa docu.
Ay! Opo, gusto ko mag-ano. Charing lang.
Medyo magulo kasi yung details eh. So, ano bang thought process? Okay, it's different from the other original version. 5, 6, 7. About yourself. We are Mamen, two girls just living in the Philippines. Oh. Yeah, and we produced this song Mamen for our girlies out there.
Yeah, for the boyish girls out there who wants to explore things. Yeah. And you should not be scared because, you know, Mamen will always be here for you.
Do you have an introduction about yourself? Like, okay, sure, we have. Okay. 2, 3. What's up?
We are Mamen.
Please watch out for our next song,
Mamen.
What do you call your fandom? What do you call your fandom?
Actually, we're still thinking about it.
Can you suggest?
You can follow us on our social media accounts, ma_men.
Can I hear a sample of it?
5, 6, 7, go. Mamen. Oh, sorry, do you want the explicit version or a clean version?
Can we have both?
Clean version. Oh yeah, Mamen, walking around the city, explicit version. Mamen, oh yeah, Mamen.
Oh my gosh!
Let's do it. What's up? We are Mamen. We are Mamen. We are Mamen. What's up? We are Mamen.
Yeah, but I told you you're not listening. No, I was listening. No, I was listening. You're not listening. I think it's just no, all the time. Oh.
Twenty minutes later.
Papalitan muna kami sa docu.
Ay! Opo, gusto ko mag-ano. Charing lang.
Ikaw na yung mag-chapter 3.
Ako mag-edit ng buong chapter 3. Marami pong sound effects yun. Sado po.
Galing mo yung may storyline talaga.
Ang hirap po i-connect yung storyline kasi walang kwenta yung shoot namin. Paiba-iba sila ng mood.
Ah, gano'n
Ang
pa.
hirap. Hindi ko alam anong sense. So pinag-break ko na lang sila.
May expect pa ba na chapter 2 yung ano?
Nila? Wala na yan. Disbanded.
Bale mo mag-reunite?
Bahala lang sila. Iba na yung manager niya. Pagod na ako mag-edit.
Nice.
Sobrang taas. Sobrang taas. Parang sobrang taas. Naiyak ka, mag-ika muna eh.
Hello. Gonna kiss me again? Of course.
Mamaya sa concert, pula na yung mukha ko. Bebe will never slap me. Ate joke ko. Bubugbugin ko. Don't follow Pineapple.
Kasi magpe-present na kami.
Ngayon?
Every follow counts.
Ngayon? Oh my God, let's watch them present. Ba't hindi daw coconut?
Kaya nga, actually, dapat
Sino ba namili ng pineapple?
Wala lang. Naisip ko lang, ano ba fruit? Pineapple na lang. Sige. Kasi, nag-ano ako na.
Huwag na pala i-follow. I'm so disappointed. As a coconut girl, you won't think of coconut first. Meron ba tayong song na pineapple? The pineapple is a... Wala kaming ganun. Blooms, follow nyo na. Una na naisip pineapple. Roommate ko pa naman sa ate. Hindi ko siya papansinin.
Tapos Aya created pineapple account.
That girl. After ma-feature sa Magpasikat Showtime.
Pineapple. I love pineapple.
I don't love pineapple. I love the coconut.
Pineapple.
Don't you dare seduce me. Coach, don't. We don't love pineapple. We love the coconut.
Magpe-present sila ng video na, I love this fruit. Kasi like mga farmer.
May gumamit ang coconut. May gumamit ang coconut.
Tapos hindi niya pinag.
DCN and pineapple. DCN, oh my God, who chooses pineapple? Only Ate Aya does.